Hello everyone, welcome to Microsoft Excel logical function. How logical function are work? Firstly, I am working on the if function. Typing if from the keyboard. First we are passing the logical test. As we see, we ask the system just if the each cell is exactly equals to 1, then print hello. Else if that's go wrong or false, print hi. This much is easy. That this is 1, this is hello. If we change this data, this is 2, this is hi, because it doesn't match. Coming to the second one, which is called end. End is used to pass 2 or more than 2 logical tests. For example, typing end. Firstly, we says this cell A3 exactly equals to 2, comma, and B3 exactly equals to Kabir. That's all true. If one of these two criteria which we provided earlier are false, it will be false for us, and any one of them are. Now we are going to change the other one. That's false. Now coming to the third one, to OR. Just we are copy the above formula down, and we says we are arrange this formula a little bit, not to Kabir, to Karim, and change this to OR. This is true. We says if one of these two cells containing the correct value which already asked, that can become true. If both of them are wrong value, that goes to false. For example, I am replacing this with 1, yet that is true. Now I am going to change this value. Now it will be changed to the false. As you see, false, because both of them are not matching the required criteria. Now we are going to fix our data back. Now coming to the combined formula or function, as you says f plus int or f plus or. Firstly, we are doing this formula, we just logically typing the f. After if we are starting the int function. Now we ask the system if the A5 exactly equals to 4, one logical test. Second one, the B5 exactly equals to Akbar. Now we are closing the first bracket. Now we are passing, we says what if this is true, what if we printing the hello. Simply else hi. If not true, print will be hello. Now I am going to change this value, but it will become changed to the high. That's number 2. That's changed to the high, because one of these criteria are not match the formula. In this case, we are going to replace this to, this is also false. I am fixing this back, also false, because one of these two criteria are not match are the required data. Now both of them are the same. This work properly. Now coming to the fifth one, how the OR work. Hi. Now because still this is need a little bit modification, we are changing this formula as OR. E6 must be to equal to 5. We are modifying all these formula to Malalai. Same to same, but in this case the formula is required one of these two cells containing the correct value, that will be print hello. If both of them are getting the wrong value, this will change to the high. Let's change the first value to the 6. 5 change to the 6. yet this is hello. Now we are going to change the Malalai, adding an additional I. Now it's hi. Now we are going to correct the data back to this original form. That's become 5, yet that's hello. In Malalai, yet this is not correct because we specify the criteria to have at least one of these value to be corrected, then it will correct for print with the correct value or the wrong value. I hope you like this video. If you did not subscribe to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and post any question regarding to the Excel function. We are trying to provide you a very short video for you. Thank you for watching.